Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very important word. The word is analyze. Let's discover what it means together. Welcome to Wordscience. We help you learn new words in a fun and easy way. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. So, what is analyze? Analyze is a word we use when we want to look at something very carefully. We study it. We think about it. We try to understand it better. When we analyze something, we do three things. First, we look closely at it. Second, we think about all the parts carefully. Third, we try to understand how it works. That is what analyzing means. When do we analyze things? We analyze things every day. When you read a story and think about what happened, you are analyzing. When you solve a math problem, you are analyzing. We analyze to learn and understand. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are reading a story. You think about the characters. You think about what they did. You think about why the story ended that way. That is analyzing a story. Here is another example. Imagine you have a problem. Maybe your toy is broken. You look at the toy. You think about what is wrong. You figure out how to fix it. That is analyzing a problem. One more example. Imagine you see numbers and charts. You look at the information. You think about what the numbers mean. You understand the data. That is analyzing data. How do we analyze something? It is easy. First, look carefully at what you want to understand. Second, break it into small parts. Third, think about each part one by one. Fourth, find out what everything means together. These steps help you analyze well. There are different types of analysis. Sometimes we do simple analysis. This means we look at just a few parts. Sometimes we do deep analysis. This means we look at many details very carefully. Both types are useful. Why do we analyze things? There are many good reasons. We analyze to understand things better. We analyze to solve problems. We analyze to make good decisions. Analyzing helps us in many ways. We analyze a lot in school. When you study science, you analyze experiments. When you read books, you analyze stories. When you do math, you analyze numbers. School teaches us how to analyze. We also analyze at work. Adults analyze reports. They analyze data on computers. They analyze problems to find solutions. Analyzing is an important skill for work. But we also analyze in everyday life. When you choose what to wear, you analyze the weather. When you decide what to eat, you analyze what you like. We analyze all the time without even thinking about it. How can you analyze well? Here are some tips. First, take your time. Do not rush. Second, ask questions about what you see. Third, look at all the details carefully. Fourth, think carefully about everything. These tips will help you become great at analyzing. What are some common mistakes? Sometimes people rush and do not look carefully. Sometimes people ignore important details. Sometimes people do not ask enough questions. Try to avoid these mistakes when you analyze. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you analyze things, the better you will become. Keep practicing every day. Soon, analyzing will be easy and fun for you. Let's review what we learned. What is analyze? It means to look closely at something. It means to think about all the parts. It means to understand what something means. Now you know what analyze means. Wordscience helps you learn new words every day. We make learning fun and easy. Keep watching our videos to learn more amazing words. We are here to help you grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word analyze. Remember to use this word when you study and think carefully about things. Do not forget to subscribe to Wordscience for more word lessons. We have many more exciting words to teach you. Click the subscribe button and join our learning family. See you in the next video.